clones supposed to be in detention? We got time off for behavior.
Say, you didn't happen to see any others of us around, did you? Other us's?
No? Why would there be other us's? Okay.
Well, all right then. I guess you are telling the truth.
Yep. No lies here. All right, chump. What say we go get a... Bang! Ow! He got me! Come on, Six. I knew it. You made clones of yourselves.
So what's the big deal? We just did what you did, which shouldn't surprise you, because we're you. But I told you, when you make a clone of a clone, it's highly unstable.
Oh, right. Did not remember that. Anyway, they look perfectly fine to me.